Hello there and welcome to Yoga Poses, Yoga Foundations with Yoga with Andrea today. So in this tutorial we're going to practice Warrior Variation, Virabhadrasana 2. And this is a standing posture. So from Tadasana or mountain pose we're going to take a big step back with your right leg, toes pointing slightly in. Press the four corners of your feet down and firm your legs up. As you inhale, raise your arms parallel to the floor, keeping your shoulders down and your neck nice and long. As you exhale, put a bend in your left knee, keeping your left knee over your left ankle. If needed, slightly adjusting the position of your feet and legs to find stability in the pose. Roll the top of your thigh down towards the floor on the left, pressing down through your big toe to balance that action. Press the top of your right thigh back and ground the outside of your right foot into the floor. Draw your lower abdomen in and up and lengthen through your spine, extending through your collarbones, broaden those out and lengthen through the fingertips. Bring your chin slightly in and back to align your neck with your spine and look over your left hand. You can stay in this pose for 5 breaths. And to come out of the pose, pressing into your feet, straighten your legs as you inhale, then switching the orientation of your feet to repeat on the other side. So to prevent the front knee from collapsing inwards, wrap the muscles around the outer hip to externally rotate that leg. To prevent the ribs from flaring out, engage the core deeply and draw the tailbone down underneath you towards the mat, which also keeps the lower back long. This posture opens the hips and shoulders, stretches the inner thighs, groin and the chest, strengthens the legs, the arms and the abs. As you practice this pose, watching out for keeping your chest open and as you gently draw your shoulder blades together at the back. Be aware of the opposite movements of the thigh bones in each of the legs. The front leg externally rotates and you do this by engaging your outer thigh muscles to stabilize the leg. The back leg internally rotates so you can engage your inner thigh muscles to stabilize this leg. You can practice moving in and out of Warrior 2 by straightening and lengthening the front leg and raising your arms above your head as you inhale, then bending the front leg again to lower your arms parallel to the floor as you exhale. Thank you for practicing Virabhadrasana 2 with me today, and I look forward to the next time. Thank you and namaste. Bye for now.